Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. Natural disasters on the Event Channel, you are welcome. Shocking Delhi floods. Worst flash flooding in India submerges capital city. New Delhi, India, has been ravaged by devastating flash floods following an unprecedented downpour. The capital, recently scorched by a record-breaking heat wave with temperatures soaring above 40 degrees (104 degrees Fahrenheit), is now submerged under floodwaters. In just 24 hours, Delhi received a staggering 228.1 millimeters, nearly 9 inches of rain, marking the highest rainfall in a single June day in 88 years, far surpassing the city's monthly average. The catastrophic flooding has claimed at least 11 lives, including 4 individuals who tragically drowned in flooded underpasses. The relentless rains have paralyzed the city, flooding major roads, submerging vehicles, and causing widespread power outages. Shocking visuals show residents wading through waist-deep water as they navigate the waterlogged streets. The extreme weather also caused a partial collapse of the New Delhi airport roof, resulting in 1 fatality and 8 injuries. This disaster follows weeks of unbearable heat, with Delhi reaching a blistering 49.9 degrees Celsius (121.8 degrees Fahrenheit) in late May. The intense heat wave offered no respite, even during the nights. The increasing frequency of these extreme weather events in Delhi is alarming, raising concerns among local experts. Subscribe now for continuous updates on this unfolding crisis in India's capital.